OnePlus is back with a powerhouse. Meet the OnePlus 13, the ultimate flagship of 2025. Let's dive into what makes this beast a game changer. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery, the OnePlus 13 keeps you powered all day. It supports 80-watt fast charging and an impressive 50-watt wireless charging. A quick 10-minute charge gives hours of use. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The 6.82-inch LTPO display delivers a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 4,500 nits, perfect for any lighting condition. The camera setup is a photography enthusiast's dream. A triple 50-megapixel system featuring the Sony LYT-808 primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a 3x telephoto camera ensures breathtaking shots. OnePlus 13 runs on Oxygen OS 15, offering a seamless and customizable experience. And with an IP69 rating, it's the most durable phone yet fully protected against dust and water. AI takes the spotlight with innovative features like Circle to Search, AI on Blur, AI Reflection Eraser, and Details Booster, redefining how you interact with your smartphone. With cutting-edge specs and unbeatable features, the OnePlus 13 is the flagship to beat. What are your thoughts on OnePlus 13? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to a channel for more tech fun.